Hello and welcome to Business Unions. It's thrilling to be in your 20s because you can finally make your own decisions and see the benefits of independence. But being financially independent plays a significant role in being independent. Before you turn 30, consider pursuing these 10 financial objectives. 1. Cease spending on impulse. Spending on the spur of the moment is frequently wasteful and might reduce your savings. Ask yourself, do I need this? Before you buy something for yourself. Why? Is my savings or my weekly allowance going toward this? As a general rule, put it down if you are paying with savings. Come return the following week if your weekly spending plan covers it. 2. Set career-based financial goals. Although it's probable that you already have plans in place to progress your profession and increase your income, putting them down will help you to make them more concrete and can also encourage you to take action. You may confirm that you are on track by giving yourself an approximate deadline to complete them. 3. Ditch some luxuries. A few indulgences or sweets are often purchased by the majority of people. Check to discover whether any money is being squandered by keeping a spending log for a month. For instance, a lot of individuals buy lunch or coffee every day, but switching to homemade can significantly reduce costs. Try reducing one extravagance and putting the money towards saving. 4. Focus on paying off all of your debt. Your whole debt, including any credit card, auto, and student loan bills, is included in this. All of these payments include interest, some of which is rather significant. Prioritize paying off your debt because it will consume the majority of your income until it is fully paid off. You will feel fantastic once you have made that last payment on your high-interest loan, which makes reaching financial objectives and conserving money much easier. 5. Create a monthly budget plan. Having a financial plan in place makes saving and debt repayment much simpler. Write down all of your income and outgoing costs when you have a spare evening. Set aside money for savings, debt repayment, entertainment, food, and other expenses. You'll notice that you are saving money when you have a clear budget and don't have to think about it too much. 6. Track your spending. Your spending stays in check when you are aware of how much and on what you spend your money. You can accomplish this with the aid of a free budgeting program like Mint. You might find that ordering takeout multiple times per week costs more than $300 per month, or that paying recurring fees for streaming services and subscriptions you never use is a waste of your hard-earned money. It's fantastic if you have the money to spend several $100s a month on ordering. 7. Live within your means. Maintain a level of living that is less than what you can afford with your income. Your income ought to rise as your career develops and you accumulate more experience. However, the wisest course of action is to direct the money toward paying off debt or increasing savings rather than spending it on new toys and living a more opulent lifestyle. You'll always have extra cash flow if the cost of your lifestyle is growing slower than your income, which you can use for savings or an unanticipated financial emergency. 8. Set short-term goals. Many things can change between the time you are in your 20s and, say, 40 years later, when you might retire in life. These things include economic downturns and job losses. Therefore, it can be intimidating to think about making a long-term plan. Instead of establishing long-term objectives, break them down into a series of manageable, specific short-term targets, such as paying off credit card debt within a year or making a predetermined monthly contribution to a retirement plan. 9. Invest in yourself. Consider yourself an investment. It will be profitable in the long run to invest in yourself. The most valuable assets you own are your knowledge, experience, and talents. By making wise career decisions and advancing your knowledge and abilities on a regular basis, you may increase your value. Despite the fact that this investment frequently begins with attending college or a trade school, keeping your skills current and learning new ones that are in great demand can help you become a more desirable and well-paid member of the workforce. 10. Find the right balance. A suitable balance between your life now and your future is equally crucial. In terms of money, we cannot live as if today were our final day. We must choose between spending money now versus saving money later. Instead of paying for it with a credit card, for instance, make it a short-term aim to save for a trip to a place you've always wanted to go. Finding the right balance is a crucial step on the road to financial security. Thanks a lot for watching. That's all for today's video. Hoping that you learned something from this. Subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet, and make sure that your post notification bell is turned on for more amazing videos from us.